Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox the Panther X2 that I just received on the mail. It comes in a nice bubble wrap to protect it. It comes with this promotion. It pretty much says that if you tag them, hashtag mypantherx on Twitter, Instagram or YouTube, you enter the chance to win another minor or even an iPhone 13. This video is I'm gonna use that code, and I'm going to open this for you. This is much fun, as you can see. It would have been good that I have handy a little my trusty card. Let's make sure that there we go. My trusty card is here, handy. Open it. By the way, I received this within 6 days of ordering. We are in February, so 2022, so that you know. So let's see what's here. Okay. This is the instructions on how to get it started. I'm gonna get to that later. Oh, this is pretty small. This is really cool. We have the AC adapter and Ethernet port, USB, and this is a warranty sticker. It asks you not to void it if you remove it, so I'm not gonna remove it. And this one also has an SMP reverse polarity plug for an antenna. I guess this is the antenna. So it does come with antenna. This lights up once you plug it, and it tells you your status. It comes with a key card, probably to pair it via Bluetooth. And this is probably the AC adapter. Pretty nice adapter. Nice box. That's all that comes in the box. So I'm going to connect it. I'll keep you guys posted on how good the mining goes. You could use tentatively, I guess, a 4 dBi antenna that comes with a Bobcat. It's the same type of connection, or you could use this antenna, which does not tell you the size. That would be a good thing that they had it in the description, so no description on that. And the instructions on how to get online with the network. Well, thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted once I plug it and get it going. Thank you for watching.